Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our third question. A car has two wipers which will going to clean the glass of the car. So here the blade will have, this is the blades, two blades which will not overlap each other. They will not touch each other, and if one blade is cleaning one area and another blade will not introduce there. So both should be presented in order to clean the total area of the car. So what area is cleaned by both wipers we have to calculate. So that is the first condition. So here we need to know what is the shape we will get cleaned by that. So what area we will get, what area of the shape. So here which will, so the blade will have what you can say 25 centimeter length, and which is make from angle of 150 degrees. So it will going to clean from 0 degrees to the 115 degrees. So that is the case here. So what is the angle here? The 115 degrees it will going to clean. This is also 115 from the one plate. And what is the total this here? So we can take 115 and 115. Total area will be equal to, total area of cleaned area will be equal to, what you can say here is, total area will be equal to area cleaned by area cleaned by first wiper plus area cleaned by second wiper. So first wiper and second wiper. So you can, here both blades will have the same properties. That means 2 into area cleaned by each wiper. So can you take like this or not? Why? Because both are same. For that 2 into area cleaned by each wiper. So area cleaned by, so what is the shape you are getting? The shape will be equal to, this is the shape. So here it's making 115 degrees, and here this is 25. Let's going to take here 25 centimeter. Here we need to consider the radius of the sector. So this is the circle. Let's going to take circle. So if you take circle like this, we are calculating indirectly the sector. So area of the sector, as I told, area of sector all divided by area of circle will be equal to some x degrees by 360 degrees. So x degrees means here what sector, the sector making subtends the angle at the center, that is x degrees. So here this is x degrees. Total degrees, total circle angle will be 360 degrees. So area of the sector will be equal to, what you can say, x degrees by 360 degrees into area of the circle is pi r square. So pi we need to take 22 by 7. So x degrees means 115 degrees by 360 degrees into 22 by 7 into r will be equal to 25 into 25. So radius is 25 centimeter for that is. So 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 7s are 35, 1 will be 5 2s are 10. So 72 is there. You can calculate. 2 11s are 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 36 are. So what is there anything to calculate? 25 36 is there, 5 is there. So let's keep 115 into 11 into, that is 55 into 25 by 36 into 7. So what is this? So what value we will get it here is, let's going to take 55. So 55 into 25. So 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25 plus 27, 10, 5 2s are 10 plus 11. So 5 into 7, 3, 1 3. So 115 into 1375 whole divided by 36. So what value we are getting? 252. So 7 6 are 42. So 2 4 will be 7 3s are 21 plus 4, 252. So this is the value we got it. So then what is the total area? So total area will be equal to 2 into total area cleaned by the both wipers. 2 into area of the sector is nothing but area cleaned by the area cleaned by each wiper. Area cleaned by each wiper, that will be equal to 2 into area cleaned by each wiper is area of the sector. So 2 into area of the sector is 115 into 1375 whole divided by 252. So this is the case here. So let's go into cancel. 2 ones are 2 ones are, then 5 will be 2 twos are 4, then 1 will be 2 6 are 126. So 115 into 1375 by 126. So what value we will get it here? So 115 ply will get, so 1,58,125. This is 126. So we got it. This is the value. Let's going to divide with this. What value we will get? So 158,125 whole divided by 126. 126 2 3 32. Then so what is the one? 302 is 123 is 18. Then 6 plus 7 3 72. So this is the value which this is the total area cleaned by the both wipers. This is the one. If you like the video, please like it, try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.